Hey guys, BrickQueen here. I have some packs of the Series 11 minifigures. I haven't opened these yet. I think I have 5 here. I just picked these up at Toys R Us. And so I'm going to do some blind pack openings for you guys so we can see what I got together. And make this easier, I'm just going to cut the top off. And let's see. Oh, let's get the paper out of the way first. Oh, cool. Looks like this one is the Welder. That's cool. And I was wondering exactly how that looked as far as pieces go. Wondered how that went together. That's pretty neat. So, there's the first one. Have the Welder. I'll set that with him. I'll set him back here for a second. So, number 2. Any guesses on what number 2 is? I tried to feel the pack, so I kind of might know what I have, but never know for sure until you actually open the packs. Ah, the diner waitress. Very cool. And here we go. Oh, I didn't realize she was going to have a ponytail on the back. That's kind of neat. And then, let's see, her little rollerblades on. I think that's backwards. Actually, I'm not sure. Anyway. And there's her little tray. Now, I'm kind of disappointed that there's no way to attach this to the tray. You just have to set it on there. Kind of disappointed about that, but it is what I expected because we have gotten a serving tray like this before. So you just have to tilt it up enough so it stays. Anyway, so number 3. Oh no, another Welder. I guess I didn't do so good on feeling the packs this time. Oh well. He's kind of neat. It's okay that I got 2 of him. Let's just hope I didn't get 3. Let's see number 4. Okay, I think that's, what is that, a Barbarian? He's got a couple of swords or knives here. That's cool. It's always good to get unique ones. Eventually, I will collect the whole series, and then I'll review the whole series for you guys. Let's see what the last one is. The mountain climber. So, there you have it, the first few of my Series 11 minifigures. There will be more to come very soon, but these are the first 5, and I'll do another blind minifigure pack opening soon. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Hi, I'm Christine.
please subscribe to my channel for more LEGO news, reviews, stop motions, customs, and more every day.